Hey guys, so it's Friday evening and I have about 40 minutes before I have to go to a dinner party for the evening. And what I'm going to do now is replace the fuel pump on my John Deere tractor. This is my garden tractor. It's a 345 with a 2-cylinder Kawasaki engine. And what I've done for the winter here is I've put a 2-stage snowblower on it. And this is a ton of fun. It blows the snow about 40 feet in the air. It's amazing. So anyway, I've got that installed this week and it's blowing the snow fantastically. However, I've noticed a leak coming from the fuel pump here on the tractor. And so that's coming just from down here. And it's very close to the exhaust, and so that's a real fire hazard. So I'm going to change that now. Stop by the dealership after work today, and they actually had the part in stock. So I'm going to change it and just walk you through the process. So here's the fuel pump. It's next to the carburetor that's right here. That was cleaned out this summer. I took it off and did some cleaning. And there was a bit of gunk in there, and gunk and grime. And now, for some reason, the fuel pump has decided to leak. I think that it's probably just some grommets in there that have dried out over time. I mean, the tractor is about 20 years old now. So I'll remove that and replace the lines going to it as well. I got some fuel line in order to do that. So let's go. Fortunately, it's a pretty simple job. There are only 3 different connections to make here. Sorry, that's the heater fan for my garage. It's pretty cold. So there's the vent tube that I just put on here. And then there are 2 other tubes up here and only 2 bolts to fix it into the tractor. So those are 1/2-inch bolts. I'm going to remove the old one here and we'll just put this one back on. All right, so I've taken the 2 bolts off. And what you see back there is where it connects. I really can't see, sorry, it's hard to get the light in here. There we go. So that's where it connects, and now I'm just going to take off these connections. It's filthy down there. The valve cover gasket was leaking a couple years ago, and so a lot of oil got all over the place. That's what that is. But anyhow, we're almost there. It shouldn't take too long. I'm going to replace these fuel lines, as I mentioned earlier. So that is it. New fuel line has been run. As you can see, this here. And I've connected all the different hoses to the fuel pump itself and put the 2 bolts in, and that's it. We're ready to start it up. So that was a really easy job, very satisfying. I smelt the leak last weekend. I located it the end of the day today, grabbed the part. They happened to have it in stock, and now it's already on and ready to go. So I'll put this thing back together, put the snowblower back on, and we will be ready for the snow that's coming in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.